In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get 4,000 watch hour. Yes, I'm going to be sharing two methods that you're going to use to get your 4,000 watch hour. As a beginner on YouTube, getting 4,000 watch hour is almost like impossible, but guys, it is not impossible to get. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you two things that you can do to get your 4,000 watch hour. And yes, I am not going to tell you how to manipulate your 4,000 watch hour. I know a lot of you will not like to hear this. Most creators will tell you you're going to get your 4,000 watch hour in 2 days. Some will tell you you will get it in 4 days. Some will tell you you will get it in 3 days. Guys, they are saying the truth. But you know what they will not tell you? After getting this watch hour, what next? A lot of small YouTubers are under the pressure of getting watch hour, and when you manipulate your watch hour, at the end of the day, it affects your monetization. Some of us get monetized and we are frustrated. I have seen creators who are monetized, they don't get views, they don't get a paycheck, they don't get engagement, and you don't want something like that for your channel. So in this video, I am going to show you the organic, when I mean organic, a very realistic way of getting 4,000 watch hour on your channel. Yes, 4,000 watch hour on YouTube is not rocket science, and also it's not a magic wand. 4,000 watch hour is a process. And the second method I'm going to teach you is going to be for some of us who already have like a couple of watch hour on our channel and we are trying to boost it. But the first one is going to be for my dear beginners. For some of you who are just starting YouTube and you're still trying to find your feet, the first method is for you. So if you know you want to get 4,000 watch hour genuinely in a realistic way, so you don't regret it, make sure you watch this video. And guys, if you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we tell each other the truth, nothing but the truth. And you know how we do it. Go to the comment section, genuinely support a creator. See, don't subscribe to a channel you don't like their content. Do not subscribe to a channel you're not going to support. Go through their content before you start subscribing. And do not forget to give this particular channel a thumbs up. This video, give it a thumbs up. It's free of charge, guys. Nobody's charging you, it's free. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell. Whenever I make videos like this, you get notified. So without saying too much, let's go straight into this video. So guys, the first method, we're going to be using what we call the metadata method. Oh yes. For my beginners, I know you'll be new to this. Some of you already know what I'm talking about. Some of you might just be seeing this for the very first time. When I say metadata, there are creators here on YouTube who are doing exceedingly well. I keep saying this. Go and watch creators that are succeeding in your niche. Follow their content, but be wise. Not every creator's words you just follow for it, but follow creators who are doing well. They've experienced the highs, they've experienced the lows, and the genuine ones will genuinely tell you what you need to do to achieve success on your channel. Now, we're going to be making use of this metadata. There are certain information that these creators are not going to be exposing to you on their channel. But with the use of this metadata, you're going to be getting this for free. And somebody will be like, how is this going to help me get 4,000 watch hour? Let's dive straight into it. We're going to be seeing how this is going to help you get your 4,000 watch hour really quick. So let me take you guys straight into the video. Follow me step by step, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing the second method that most creators who already have watch hour on their channel and you just want to complete your watch hour, I'm going to be sharing the second method with you all. So let's just go straight into the video. So guys, we're going to be doing this together. We're going to be accessing the metadata together. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing, you're going to go to your YouTube app. You're going to search for that favorite creator in your niche, okay? Any creator you know that is doing very well in your niche. It could be me, it could be anybody, so long they are in your niche. They create the kind of videos you are creating. Now, I think I like this particular creator than the creator. Yes, I like this particular one, okay? So you can see he has over 304,000 subscribers And yes, so what you need to do, view their channel. All right, this is like a secret weapon. Secret weapon, I call it a secret weapon. Now go to the videos, look for their popular video. Okay, click on popular video. Now you can see this video here. This one has 1.8 million views. For a creator in my niche to pull this amount of views, just know they are really special. So here you just click here, you copy the link. All right, you already know how to copy, you share, copy the link. Now the next thing we're going to be doing right here, we're going to go over to our Chrome browser. Follow me step by step, don't worry, we're getting there. So you come to Chrome. Let's start all over so you guys can understand everything. You click on the metadata. Okay, metadata, just click on that and it's going to bring you to this part. So after this part, just scroll down. We're going to be making use of this mathw.io. So we're going to be making use of this mathw.io. Okay, so you click on this particular one. Now before we continue, we are going to be using this to see the back end settings of this channel. I know somebody will be like, how will this help me to get 4,000 watch hour? Guys, you need to do what is working in your niche, and most of these creators don't have time to tell you the kind of tags, keywords, what they actually use to set their videos to do very well. So with the help of this, you're going to be having access to that. So all you do, you just come over here, you paste, you paste the link we copied, remember? So you paste and submit. So the moment you submit this, every detail you need to know about the channel, the video, everything is going to pop up. And guys, I used to do this as a beginner. You need to study people that are doing well in your niche. Very important. All right, so now let's go through every information. I know all of this may just look like a lot of numbers here and there. So here you can see the thumbnail. Okay, it's already displaying the thumbnail. Now the title is, if your shorts get under 1,000 views, do this. As a smart creator, if you're going to be recreating this title, you need to tweak it. Don't copy and paste. See, on this space, we don't copy and paste. We copy and rebrand. Okay, so guys, you can see here the date it was published, 19th November 2024, Tuesday. And it went ahead to tell you the time. So some of you are always asking me, oh, what time should I post my videos? What time will my videos do well? Don't worry. Just go to that your favorite creator, copy one of their videos you feel is doing well, and go and check their back end to see the time that is really working for them. Now you can see this video was uploaded 13:39. That's about 1:39 p.m. Okay, so you can see the tags. These tags were the major tags he used in this video that got over 1.8 million views. So you can copy all of this, paste it, or you can just select a few and paste it on your channel. Now this part is very important. Come and see this category. A lot of creators will ask me, oh, what category should I use? Should I use people and blogs? Should I use how to do? This particular creator used people and blogs. So take note, for all of you in the YouTube growth niche, you can actually leverage on this. For me, I use how to do. Some use people and blogs, some use how to, because most of my videos are actually teaching you how to really do a lot of stuff. Okay, now you can see here the default language is English. And guys, every information you need to know is right here. So you can keep going through, keep going through, keep going through, and go through every single thing you need to know. Here it says the video author, playlist creator, or channel submitted. Click here to see the detailed property description. So you want to click here. That's for some of us who want to go in depth to see more. Okay, so you can take your time and study all of these. Just go through everything. Go through everything. Take your time to study this. Okay, so let's head back to the metadata. All right, so now you can see here we have so many other information, channel keywords. See guys, if you've watched any of my videos about how to set up your channel, optimize your channel, it's not just to create a YouTube channel and start posting videos. There are certain features, certain things you need to put in place. And if you don't know how to set your channel keywords, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to be making a video to show you that. Okay, so here you see the channel keywords. You can just copy all of this and paste on your channel. At this point, you can copy and paste this one. Okay, or you can select and add more to it. I always believe in rebranding, so select and rebrand. Okay, so guys, with all of this, after studying everything here, this will give you an insight of the person's channel, so you can try this for any favorite creator of your choice. Anybody you want to go and see their videos, you want to study what is working for them. I know some of you will still be like, oh, how is this going to help me get my 4,000 watch hour? Guys, with the right strategy and consistently posting good, valuable content. See, YouTube is either you're giving solution to someone, your content is entertaining, or there is value in your content. And you don't want to be putting out valuable content and be getting low views and be struggling with watch hour. So with this metadata, you're going to have access to this creator's back end settings. Everything will be exposed. I call it secret weapon, nothing hidden. You're going to be seeing everything you need to do to set your channel at right. Now, the second method, I kept this for some of you who have a number of watch hour on your channel and you really want to boost your watch hour. Maybe you've gotten 2,000, 3,000 and you're still struggling to complete it. Now, I am going to show you one thing I did. You see this particular video right here. This was a live stream I did on this channel. And guys, as a creator here on YouTube, you need to leverage on live stream. It also applies to beginners, okay? They are not left out. But I usually advise my beginners, if you're just starting, build momentum, grow your channel. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. You see the views, they will come if you strategically make the right content. So guys, make sure you go stream an active event. So this was an event I was streaming and I used it to accumulate over 2,000, I think, yeah, over 2,000 watch hour in a couple of weeks. Yes, so go stream a live event. And if you're still struggling to get the live event, you can reach me, send me an email, and we're going to talk about that. All right, for those of you who have accumulated a number of watch hour on your channel, so you can send an email for you to get more of your watch hour completed. We're going to talk about that, but please take your time to go live, stream a live event, original content. Don't manipulate the stream. I know there are a lot of streaming apps that you can use to restream and all of that. I won't tell you don't do it, but the thing is, I don't believe in all those apps. I believe in originality and being organic, so that when you want to get monetized, you don't have an issue with YouTube. You don't struggle with monetization. You don't get blocked out. You don't struggle with views. You do everything uniquely. So guys, make sure you go live, okay? And if you don't know how to go live on your channel, like you don't know how to place your live stream correctly, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll be making a video shortly, sooner or later, to tell you how to go live on your channel. So guys, if you found this video really helpful, if this is something you want to try on your channel, come on, let me know in the comment section. Tell me you're going to be trying this and I'm going to see you guys in another video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share more to your friends and family. I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.